Hello pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. Well, I've noticed recently a lot of people have been putting videos out, probably the weather, but putting videos out where just flying simulators. So I had my aeroplane, RC model plane, flight simulator out for ages, me Phoenix RX, I think it is, Phoenix RC, I can't remember now. But I've dug it up, shall we say, found the app, found the game. And I thought I'd just show you a bit of me simulator for my planes, see what you think of it. It's a cheap one, you see, as well, so if anyone's interested in getting into planes or just getting the idea of feeling, and it's not just planes, it also does helicopters. It's really good on helicopters, actually. It's almost the same as flying a real helicopter, but it's not. But if you've never flown a helicopter before, trying to fly a helicopter on this simulator will really give you a good idea of just how difficult it is. On a scale of difficulty, flying a heli is about 10 times more harder than flying a quad or a drone or all like that. I'll have a lot of people moaning about me now saying that, but it's true. Helis are a lot harder to fly, trust me. I was flying helis for years. Well, I still fly them, but not as often. But yeah, so I just thought I'd do a flight simulator soon as I found this thing, and I thought, yeah, let's fly some planes on the sim and see what happens. And I ain't been on it yet. I haven't turned the thing on yet. So let's go turn it on anyway and see what happens. Right then, roll VT. Okay then, here's the flight simulator. I'm not going to show you all the flight simulator and talk you through every single thing out like that. I just thought I'd just show you some flights. But here's your basic gist. You can select all different models and stuff and set up your system and your view and your flying sites. You got loads and loads and loads of different flying sites. Right, and you can actually download more sites and change to this, and there's loads of different things you can do. Okay, so there's a million and one different things you can do and change, but it is a pretty good simulator actually, and you can get it for free. You can buy it, right, and you can buy it and it all comes ready with a transmitter and all like that, and you can buy it for about £7 or £8, which is what, about $10 or something. But you can, if you look about or just type in for free on the interweb, you can actually download it for free. And before anyone complains, no, I bought mine, I've had it ages. But you can change and you can practice to all sorts of different things. So let's just load something up anyhow, and we'll have a bit of a flight. We'll try a few different models, but to start off with my favourite, right? Or one of my favourites, which happens to be the easiest to fly, and it's the Red Arrow. Okay then, yeah, I love this plane, so just turn the volume up a little bit and let's take off if I can. Let's just, I've done something wrong here. Let's just do a model. I told you I haven't played this for ages. I'm trying to remember. Select that. And why aren't we moving? Transmitter on and off. Ah, here we go. Oh, I haven't been flying for a long time. Let's get the landing gear up. I've got the landing gear. Remember, it's only a sim, so we can have some fun. Oh! Upside down. I've done this for a while. Which way is up, which way is down? I'm gonna have to straighten. Flying inverted is not such a good idea when you haven't flown for a while. Alright, let's try that again. Come around, still inverted. That's enough of that. I did not like that. That felt weird. Well, one, I haven't been on this game for ages, and in all fairness, I haven't been flying planes for a while. So I'm a bit out of practice on all sections. Right, let's go for a landing. Make sure landing gear is down, which it is now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we gonna hit the trees? Come on, come on. Nose up. Oh, bouncy. Hey, that's not bad. To be quite honest, I was expecting to crash. Yeah, me first time out for a while. To be honest, I was expecting that to crash. Okay, let's do a jump shot and move on to a different model and maybe a different flying field as well. Jump shot. Okay then. Change to Tiger Moth and a bit more of a stunt plane. As in, you can have a bit more fun with it. I remember this. I seem to remember flying this one a while back. Not very manoeuvrable in one sense, but you can. Oh! You can have fun with it. That's why you should practice on flight simulators. Cool. Way up there, lad. Chuck. Oh. Will it? Will it? Yeah, no problem. I'm kind of expecting a bit of a problem there though. Don't remember where the bloody runway is. There. What? Wait, whoa! Whoa, you! Well, I missed the runway completely. Well, in a matter of speaking, I just got mixed up with where it was. Right, another jump shot. Let's try a different plane, a different area. I think we'll try Spitfire this time. Oh, okay then. Let's trying a Spitfire and in probably the worst possible place to fly one. It'd be great for drones or helis, but I don't know about planes. I didn't think it was going to have enough runway there. Get the landing gear up. I have no idea where we're going to land this thing. In fact, I don't think we're going to be able to. Let's have a trial run, see if there's anywhere I can spot. Oh, there's nowhere there. Try from that angle. If you're ever thinking about this sort of a sim, don't be there was a tree there. Don't be fooled in thinking everything's going to fly the same, because it's not. Everything flies a little bit different, and I happen to own one of these Spitfires, and I'll tell you what, this actually flies very, very similar to a Mark 1 Spitfire, and I'll tell you that right now. Landing gear up. Yeah, this actually does fly very similar. If you don't give it enough power in the turns, it will literally just fall out of the sky. Oh, I was trying to skim that. Oops, landing gear up. Whoa, 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 gently, George. Get your landing gear straight up. To be honest, I still don't know where the hell I'd be able to land this. Not that it's actually a problem, as we know. Oh, the laddie! Oh, whoops. So busy looking at the tree in that background, I was not paying attention. Jump shot. Right, let's have a little cruise around the lake, shall we? If we can take off. Oh, I didn't think we were going to make that. I did not think we were going to make that. And this is not a stunt plane. But I did not think we were going to make that. What's the bad? Oh, fucking... Ah, that's not on. I'm glad the camera's not pointing at me because... yeah, let's see if we can get that again, because I really didn't think we was going to make that the first time. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Whoa. So what I do like about this sim though, in a matter of speaking, it is a bit like real life, because there's just hidden things you don't look at them, like them posts there. I know they're there, and that's why I'm keeping way above now. Let's see if we can get in between. Yes. I am not looking forward to even thinking about landing here. Get above the treetops. Stay in the middle, stay in the middle, go around, go around, go around, go around. I believe I'm at the back of them. I should have got one of the amphibious planes. Could have done a water landing here. What I do like about this game as well, this sim, you don't need a fantastically high graphics card. You really don't. Like some of the, like that new game that's out at, what's it called? That. Oh, we're dead. No, we're not. Good recovery. Uncrashed. That new FPV sim, Uncrashed. I got that. And I wish I never actually, because to get the benefit out of it, you need an awesome graphics card. Oh, I thought I'd missed that one. Yeah, you need an awesome graphics card to get the benefit out of it. Jump shot. Here we go then, last one. Oops. Oh. That's cool, love that. Didn't realise it actually do it, but right, last one, and we're at a place where you might recognise. I can only assume I crashed there. That's what I was trying to show you, Stonehenge. That was a nasty one. Oh, I'm in trouble at the old Stonehenge. It's the Stonehenge case. Better. Oh! 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 I nearly lost that then. Nearly lost it. Oh! And I think that's a good place to leave it. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, hope you enjoyed this little trip into my simulator. Yeah, it's the Phoenix R5 thingy mid-jig. All the information, oh no, that's me coming out, sorry. Yeah, but it's the Phoenix. If you're interested, just drop us a comment, and I'll just go look for it. It's in the top left corner there. Look, Phoenix RC 5 point version 5.5 or whatever. But yeah, just go and have a look for it. They sell it all over the place, but you can get a free version of it. Not the latest, but you can get a free version of it if you look on the interweb. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed this little mess about, bit of fun. That's all it was, bit of fun. Right, and cheers.